Delightful springtime sprinkles. I am here with Anomatheca laxa. This is a small South African bulb that is perfectly suited for Mediterranean climates. The regular kind I see here is this pinky, kind of corally color, kind of in the range of pink. And then I've seen a few more ranges in this from way redder, much redder, like the little eye zone is red, to pinkish, to white with this little kind of red, or they vary, plum eye, to pure white. So there's a range. I've seen some other ones with other colors, but I don't know that they're laxa. So this is a beautiful grassy foliaged, long sinewy stem, beautiful mass show. It is really splendiferous to see this growing in here in mass. I'm guessing this has been in here for 10 or 20 years or so. I've never seen quite a nice colony of it. It reseeds. I've been growing this myself for a long time because it's just so pretty, and I love the way the stems rise up and have these little blooms on the wires on the end. Just be aware it will seed, and it does make a colony. It needs sun, 2-part sun. It's not at its best in deeper shade, but this is a low water plant that will perform without a lot of extra care. Delightful springtime sprinkles closer to the ground. Puts on a nice show. Hi, thanks for joining me. If you found this video interesting or informative, or you think that other people might, please give me the thumbs up or subscribe on my YouTube channel. That way I'll know, and other people will know, that this is a good thing. There's a lot of treasures to explore out there, and it's fun to share them. Is the one I've seen around the most, at least here in Southern California. It's uncommon, but deserves maybe a little more attention. It's great for a sunny to part sunny area. It actually does good in